How to set SDK Salesforce file in VS Code. They are 3 steps. In that step 1, download versus code, if you have already skipped this. If not, see the video in my playlist How to Download versus Code. Step 2, download Salesforce extensions in versus code. Open VS Code, then go to Extensions tab and search for the Salesforce extension. There are 4 extensions what I'm showing in the video, must install that all. Then finally step 3, download Salesforce SDK file. Go to Google and search Salesforce CLI. Click the first link and it goes to the SDK downloaded page. Now see the Windows models for downloading. We choose the downloading for Windows x64. See the download tab, it will automatically downloading. Wait for it download. After that, go to File Manager, then go Downloads. See the file name as SF64, double tap the file at Open Installing page. Click Next. Then Install, wait for installing. After install, it show a close button. Click that. Now check its setup in the system or not. Open command prompt. Let's check it. Type SFDX version. It shows the version if you installed SDK. After that, type SFDX. Help it show the full list of files. That's all, we successfully set up the Salesforce CLI file in our system. In the next video, we will see how to create a project in SFDX. If you found this useful, like, share and subscribe for more easy coding lessons.